Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to join a good club in Brawl Stars. Make sure to watch this video until the very end and don't miss out on any of the important steps. So let's begin. Being a part of a good club can enhance your gaming experience, provide a supportive community, and offer opportunities for team play and rewards. Let's dive into the steps to find the perfect club for you. First, open Brawl Stars on your device and go to the main menu. On the home page, tap on the club option, located in the bottom right. You can scroll through this list to find a club that matches your interest and playstyle. When evaluating a club, you have to consider several key factors. First, look at the club's trophy requirements and make sure you meet or exceed them to ensure you are joining a club with players at a similar skill level. Next, check the club's activity level. A good club will have active members who regularly participate in events and club activities. Read the description and rules to get a sense of its culture and expectations. Some clubs are more competitive, while others are casual and focused on having fun. Choose a club that aligns with your preferences and goals. Another important factor is the club's communication. Active communication channels, such as in-game chat and external platforms like Discord, can greatly enhance your experience. Good communication helps coordinate strategies, share tips, and build a strong community. If you have friends who play Brawl Stars, consider joining their club. Playing with friends can make the game more enjoyable and provide a built-in support network. Once you've found a club that looks promising, tap the Join button to send a request. Some clubs are open and let you join immediately, while others require approval from club leadership. If your request is pending, be patient and check back later for a response. After joining a club, introduce yourself and participate in club activities. Engage with other members, contribute to club events, and follow the club's rules and guidelines. Being an active and positive member will help you get the most out of your club experience. To recap, finding a good club in Brawl Stars involves using the social menu to search for clubs and evaluating them based on trophy requirements, activity level, communication, culture, and participation. Once you have joined by following these steps, you'll be able to find a club that enhances your Brawl Stars experience. That's it, you're done!